In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete files on your Windows PC using shortcut keyboard key without any stress. I'm going to use all these files as an example. Take a look at all these files right here. I want to completely and delete them permanently to free up storage space on my Windows PC. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you select all the files and simply press Ctrl+A. This allows all the files to be selected just like what you see right here. And the next thing you want to do is to press Shift key and Delete key on your keyboard. And then this is going to pump up. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? These are 57 items. Click on yes right here. And then this is going to pump up right here. Allow everything to be deleted completely. Then here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here, delete again. Click on here and try again. Click on here and skip. And the old file is going to be deleted. And then you can see the old file has been successfully deleted. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.